Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a second look at the IQBUDS BOOST. They've just updated the firmware, and there's some new features. Let's check it out. Now, one of the neat things about the advances in technology is that the manufacturers like Nuheara are able to add new features to their existing products without having a new product launch. And we're seeing that. We're seeing where regularly these earbuds are being updated with new features, new capabilities, and it's really going on, beyond that of just, bugs and improvements in audio quality or call quality. So today I wanted to share with you a new improvement that's made what I feel is a best-in-class earbud that solves and improves your hearing. For those of you who are looking for something that's specialty, that's something that's going to sound good, something that's going to have a great call quality, but then also is going to help you hear the world around you. So they've made it even better. Let's take a look at the new feature. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available. Now, for those of you who have never heard of the IQBUDS, I'm going to include a little link that's going to pop up in a second up here that's going to show you my initial review of the IQBUDS. But at a very high level, these earbuds, not only do they have great audio quality for you to listen to music, and you get the ability to personalize them, they are also ones that you can use in the gym. They stay in your ears. They will not fall out. They're very comfortable, and they're also very much fatigue-free. They also have a unique feature that sets them apart from many of the other earbuds that I have reviewed on the channel, and it's that it has technology very similar, using technology that is similar to that what you find in hearing aids to improve your hearing. And they've just made the software even better. So I want to show you a software update that allows you to focus on what you want to hear, to focus on what matters. So let's check it out. Now, with the latest software update and firmware update that is free, Nuheara actually added new features to the IQBUDS BOOST. And let me show you where you find them. So for those of you who have not been familiar with the app in the past, pretty much what you have is the ability to switch different modes. You could go through a workout mode, which is going to and still give you a great audio experience for listening to music, but then also it's going to allow you to be aware of what's going on around you. You have street modes, home modes, office modes, plane mode and driving mode. And I have to say, I just came back from New York shooting a commercial, and this plane mode came in really handy when I was in New York, and even walking in the streets of New York, but it's really noisy, and you do see a lot of traffic, and you hear always either ambulance or police cars going off, the sirens. This really worked well in the noisy city. But what they've done is they've enhanced it. So now not only can you, by using this dial, decrease the world, which means it brings in noise canceling where you can't hear anything, or dial it up so you can hear more of what's going around you. So those are your two choices. The problem with that, and it's not really a problem, it's just that it brings in so much. This is like having super hearing. So I was in a Starbucks, and you think about busy Starbucks in New York City this week, and I had my IQBUDS on, and I could hear, it's like super hearing. I could hear every pot, every stir, every action that was taking place to create coffee. And I was actually there with my wife, and I wanted to just focus on what she was saying and not have my super hearing that I could obviously adjust, but I just wanted to try out this new feature. So when you go into this area, you have this feature that's called Focus. And in order to get this feature, you have to make sure that you upgrade the firmware on your Boost. And you'll do that, via the software. It works on a Mac, and it works also on a PC. And what my experience was previously was this. My enhanced hearing using these enhanced everything around me. So it was like 360 degrees, as you can see here. So that meant anything that was happening behind me, the pots, the pans, if we were in line and I was looking at my wife, that would pick up. Now keep in mind, I could adjust it with that dial that you saw, but now with Focus, I can just do this. And you'll notice how it drowns out all the noise behind me, goes away, and my focus area really is wherever I'm looking. So this to me is a fantastic improvement. It is super cool because it allows me to focus on the things that matter. And what I really appreciate from Nuheara is the fact that they didn't force me to buy a new pair of earbuds to do this. So they're improving my already great IQBUDS BOOST by adding more features that are making it even more awesome than it was before. So wanted to share with you, so if you did pick up these earbuds, make sure that you do the firmware upgrade so you can get this feature. If you haven't considered them yet, take a look at the review so you can see what these are all about. And it's really transformation, especially if you have any, there are various types of hearing deficiencies that you may be experiencing. I have some friends that have very sensitive hearing, and being able to adjust how much they hear or improve what they hear has been a game changer for them, especially in the business world. So check out my review, and I have to say that really for you to experience it and understand it, you have to wear them. You have to try them so you can see what I'm talking about. But this new feature, the focus feature, is definitely a double thumbs up. And I want to thank Nuheara for making those new features available and doing them so quickly. If you have any comments or questions, guys, leave it in the comment area below. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.